Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Bridget. In case you're watching me for the very first time, thank you so much for clicking on this particular video. If you're mwenyeji, asante sana, and if you're watching right now, just subscribe, please consider subscribing. So nimepotelea and I've been away from school, early school at Mombasa, and I've come back. Nimerudi leo. Nilianza safari juzi, but nimefika leo. Long story short, I arrived safely and I'm happy. So I didn't travel with this package. I parceled it from home. Ilitumana ikuje Mombasa, ndio mimi nikakuja. Nikaifuata, I come pick it up. Sikutaka kutravel na mizigo. So ilifika jana na imefika leo. I picked it and I just want to show you guys what I bought from home to school. Mimi sijaunwrap hizi vitu, sijakula juu nitaka kuonyesha. Please subscribe. Consider subscribing, please. So let me open it. Juu ni manguo nitaka kutoa. Sitaki mwana nguo zangu ziishe. Nasema I hate limana. No, I'll cut you pati ya manguo. So let me open and show you the rest of the shopping except the clothes. Thank you. So guys, I'm done with kutoa nguo ziko hapa chini sijaonyesha because I don't want to. Sitaki muone nguo zile nimekuja nazo mpya nipata nizivae. And I want to tell you wig. I got this wig from Mambui's hair closet. It's a semi-human wig. Just visit the page in Instagram and know the price. Yeah, it's a very nice wig. Inajishana vizuri and haishikani. You can blow dry it, tongue it and wash it. And I'm not risking that. In case nitaka ifanyie service, I'll take it to a salon. Itengeneze salon, but I won't do it myself. Yo, so nimebaki na open hair since kuna joto. I'm in Mombasa. Na light inawaka. Ring light inawaka na flashes yangu pia inawaka. So it's so hot. If you on a ring light unajua venye ring light ina joto. So it's so hot. Niko na story more but bear with me. So that one is what I bought from home. In a small package, it's some few shopping since when at home I had shopping kwa nyumba, so I had some kidogo tu na vest nikafinya pesa. Nilikuwa na pocket money extra. So this is my shopping. Tena nionyeshe. Naongea more. I have this. This is citric acid. Napenda kupika food na citric acid. Food most napika kama citric na pia huwa napenda kupika kwa chai. Hizi kuna chai kila citric. Kama si citric tangawizi. Yeah. So this is citric acid from Tropical Heat. Next I have coffee. Sasini coffee. Hope unaona. I brought this coffee. And I have this for my hair. Eco gel. Just a little one. Since I'm on wigs, hii itakuwa tu very rarely kutumika. So I just bought it. I have this black pepper from Tropical Heat. My food slaps, so I need black pepper. I love black pepper. So I'm having this in my kitchen. I bought this peanut butter. It's homemade peanut butter from home. If you are from Busia, you know vinyezi vitu ni mingi and it's so worth it. Its price is worth it. Na ni heavy it and it lasts for long. Yeah. Ilikuwa kidogo inamwagika but imeshikiliwa na roho isinichafulia vitu. I have that. I bought this for my kitchen washing dishes since Mombasa kuna maji ya sabuni, maji ya chumvi and inasumbua sana kushika sabuni. So I use Morning Fresh or ile ingine inaitwa ngaje. Morning Fresh, Sunlight na kuna ingine hapa inaitwa. It's common. Nitakumbuka jina yake niwaambie. Inakaribia kuisha. Here it is. This is the previous one. Inakaribia kuisha kidogo sana, so I added this. It will last for a while. I bought braids. in case nitakwenda salon kusongwa sitasumbuka. I just have to pay the salon fee because braids niko nazo. I bought 9 braids. Yeah, 9 braids from Darling. Ziko 6 maroon and 3 black. 3 nitasonga nazo lines and this other maroon one nitasonga nazo braids. So I'm sorted for my hair and I have the wig. I shopped most of these things. I shopped them at Ketias Busia. It's for quite braids na hii peanut. So I also got this sugar, 2 kg sugar from Ketias. Itani skuma. Ketias for market. I have this shaver ama ni bit ndio kama kiwi, golden shine ni kiwi, hizo zingine ni kiwi, lakini hii kama hasa bit lakini brand nyingine ya bit. If you know you know. Hii ni kinyozi. Yeah. Watu wako wasafi. Make sure you're clean. I also got it from HUS. I had some detergent left kwa nyumba ya kuosha. Detergent kama ni omo ya kuosha nguo, and I added this 1 kg taniskuma. This is a cloth mwana by mistake really black. I also bought this. Hii uskuma shule, ukisota hii nakushikilia most of the time. It's mimi ni Mjaluo na nimeelewa kwa Mjaluoni with Luo parents. So hii wana prepare haraka and this is enough for one person. So enough, so much. Ni gorogoro moja. Yep. The next thing, I bought these two toothbrushes. Since zitokea nilizipenda tu sana. I had this green one ni nzee, so ikatumika kule edges, and I'll open this orange one itumike izeke na ndugu wa green at 100 bob. So worth it. I bought this rice. 5 kg rice for one person. It will last. Since siko huku for that long, this will last me. Na pia nilibakisha ingine, niko na ingine bado. So that's hapa. And the last thing, I have this. This is maize flour. Unga ya ugali. It's cheap. Nilibai pesa 350. 5 kgs. Imagine 350 for 5 kgs. So worth it. Yeah. So I think the things that I'm doing from home this, and also I had an extra bag nilikuwa nimebeba extra, nilikuwa na nguo chache and some clothes zilikuwa nafika mpaka hapa, nimezitoa jasho, nimeanza tu shopping. That's enough. Pesa zingine nimefinya obviously. Yeah. So for braids I'm sorted. Kusongwa. Food I'm so sorted. I have cooking oil nilikuwa na 5 liters before, so imebaki bado. I have this 5 kgs rice, 5 kgs maize flour, 2 kg sugar, this peanuts, so worth it at 380 bob, and it's so worth it. In 1 kg I guess, but it's heavy. For my dishes I'm sorted. This is Naisha within a week, 3 days, then Unleash Morning Fresh, Eco Gel, Sasini tea for my coffee in the morning, my toothbrush, kinyozi, my citric acid, my black pepper, and Sunlight washing powder. See guys, I'm done. How much makeup we've just enjoyed. Umeletwa na udaku na ukapata udaku. You want to see what I bought from home na umeona na ujisubscribe. Please ujisubscribe kwa nini? Why? Subscribe to my channel guys, I'm serious, and support your girl. Yeah, until next time, bye.